case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Ungaro-Benages v. Dresdner Bank AG, a 2004 case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit, Ursula Ungaro-Benages sued two German banks, Deutsche Bank and Dresdner Bank, for taking her family's interest in their manufacturing company under the Nazi regime's program of Aryanization. The district court dismissed her claim on several grounds, including the political question doctrine, international comity, statute of limitations, and failure to state a claim. The German government, alongside the United States, created the Foundation, Remembrance, Responsibility, and the Future to hear claims brought by victims of the Nazi regime. The United States Court of Appeals affirmed the district court's decision and dismissed Ungaro-Benages' claim, advising her to pursue it through the Foundation. The court found that the Foundation provided an adequate alternative forum for resolving Nazi-related litigation against German companies, based on the principle of international comity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.